How to clear history on an iPhone. Your iPhone stores a lot of data about what you do. Usually, this is used to make things easier for you, such as tracking down a website you have visited, finding a call you missed. If you are worried about someone seeing something they should not, you can clear the history for the various services on your iPhone or erase everything completely. Number 1. Open the setting app. You have been cleaning your browser history from your setting app, not Fastferry app. While you can delete your browsing history in Safari, this would not remove any autofill information or cookies. Cleaning your history through the setting app will ensure that everything is deleted. Number 2. Scroll down and tap Safari. You should find this in the fifth group of options. Number 3. Scroll down in the Safari menu and tap Clean History and Website Data. A window will pop up asking you to confirm. If this button is grayed out, you will need to disable website restrictions. Return to Setting menu and select Restrictions. Enter your restriction passcode and tap Websites. Select all websites to allow a cleaning history. If you do not have the restriction passcode, you would not be able to clean the history. Number 4. Confirm that you want to delete the history. Your Safari browsing history, cache, autofill and cookies will be deleted. Your browsing history will also be deleted on any other devices you are signed into the iCloud account. Thanks for watching.